I've had a few people asking me about what the inside of one of these rocket motors looks like, one of the new ones. Here we go. This is these came in the other day. You can see like it's slightly different. You've got completely different colour, a little bit of writing, vents on the front and the back here. This is the older rocket motor. This is the can. You can see it's pretty much identical to the new one, apart from the colour and the vents. You've still got the same powerful magnets inside. You still got, if you can look in there, you still got the bearing, as you see from this side. You still got the bearings and the tops. You've got the tower here with the bearing in the top. Again, different colour, black, aluminium. You've got the end bell or end cap. You've got the bearing in the top. Very standard design. This one differs slightly from the ZCI one, where instead of using the tabs, it has the screws. It's a lot easier to get in and out, a lot easier to clean. Remember, you should be trying to at least check the brushes and check the commutator, which is the top part here. This is where the brushes, the carbon brush is attached to. You've got one here, again standard size. Here they push onto there. It causes the electricity. It creates the motor. You've got, when looking at the two cores here, this is the iron plates that causes wrapped around the windings in the middle. I'm not an expert, I don't know everything about motors, know hardly anything about motors, only what I've sort of seen on YouTube and sort of read online. Have a look on some of the videos on YouTube, just some explains how these little motors work, and it's, you find for DC motors like this, they all work the same, you sort of regardless of big or small, and it's really interesting. So check out some of those videos on YouTube. You can see one of the major differences here. You've got two different cuts in the plates here. This has got more of a slant to it, whereas this one's pretty much horizontal. Supposedly it gives better balancing, but you know, you're probably talking marginal differences here. So it's, you know, really it's, apart from that, they're pretty much identical. They're identical length, around about 86 millimeters or something like that. Be the thickness of the winding as well. It's white. It's yeah, nothing else really to say about it. Seemed pretty good. Got a few shims on the end. The actual clips where it clips in and stores the wiring, yeah, they seem pretty much identical. The only thing I did notice on these, you had a little bit more of a play here, so a little bit more of a gap in between there. I don't see any problem with that really. Remember, the motor's going to be inserted into the grip like that. This is going to be pushing down anyway. It creates a little bit of clearance, probably in a lot of them. The pinion here is a SHS pinion. It's identical to the ones that SHS have been shipping me as well. So it's all good there. So you won't have any problems with some of the SHS gears and everything. Okay, I'm going to put the spec sheet down the bottom there, get these onto the website, and so that you can have a go. And also I'll try and do a shooting video, yeah, and get some RPM, bit of information out there on, and with some info on the gears.